Adventure lovers, gear up. When the world talks about ultimate off-road freedom and a new era of electric exploration, one name is rising louder than ever: Jeep Recon. This is not just another SUV. This is a bold statement, a machine that combines Jeep's legendary off-road DNA with the power of electrification. Today, we are taking you on an in-depth journey, from its history and design to its powertrain, off-road abilities, technology, safety, and the future of the brand. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why Jeep Recon is not just a car, but a revolution on wheels. So buckle up, because what you're about to see will redefine the way you think about electric SUVs. History of Jeep since World War II. The birth of rugged adventure vehicles. How Jeep became the symbol of freedom and off-road culture. Transition from gasoline to hybrid and now to fully electric. Why Jeep Recon is important in the EV movement. Exterior design and styling. First impressions of Jeep Recon's exterior. Rugged Jeep styling with a futuristic twist. Signature 7-slot grille, now reimagined for EV airflow. Boxy design for adventure practicality. Removable doors and windows, bringing Wrangler DNA into the electric world. Off-road-inspired bumpers, skid plates and tow hooks. Color options and customization packages. Comparison with Jeep Wrangler and Rivian R1S. Interior experience. Spacious cabin with modern Jeep character. Use of sustainable materials, eco-friendly recycled surfaces. Advanced infotainment system with large touchscreen. Uconnect software and over-the-air updates. Digital instrument cluster with customizable off-road data. Premium sound system for immersive adventure trips. Storage practicality, hidden compartments, and camping-friendly features. Comfort on long journeys. Heated, ventilated seats, panoramic roof. Powertrain and performance. Jeep Recon as a fully electric SUV. Dual motor setup, AWD standard. Instant torque for off-road climbing and acceleration. Estimated 600 horsepower, depending on trim. 0-60 mph time expectations, around 3.54 seconds. Comparison with Tesla Model Y, Rivian R1S, Ford Bronco EV, upcoming. Jeep's engineering focus. Strength. Plus. Adventure rather than just speed. Battery, range and charging. Battery pack size, estimated 100 kilowatt class. Expected range, 250-300 miles per charge. DC fast charging capability, 20-80% in around 30 minutes. Compatibility with home charging and Jeep's adventure charging network. Regenerative braking and off-road energy recovery. Real-world range discussion. Mountains, trails, highways. Off-road capabilities. Trail-rated badge importance. Ground clearance and water fording depth. Rock climbing ability with electric torque. Four-wheel drive modes and terrain management system. Locking differentials, underbody protection. Trail cam system. Front camera for off-road view. Comparison with Wrangler Rubicon. Why Jeep Recon is built for the hardest terrains. Safety and driver assistance. Jeep Recon's ADAS suite. Automatic emergency braking, lane assist, adaptive cruise control. Surround view camera system. Reinforced structure for rugged safety. EV-specific fire protection systems. Off-road safety features, descent control, side sensors. Family-friendly safety for urban plus adventure use. Connectivity and infotainment. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging. Jeep Connect app for remote monitoring. Adventure features. Preheating, range planning, over-the-air software upgrades. Gamification, off-road badges via Jeep app. Market positioning and rivals. Where Jeep Recon fits in EV market. Rivals, Rivian R1S, Tesla Model Y, Ford Bronco EV, Land Rover Defender EV. Jeep's brand advantage. Heritage plus community. Recon's unique place as a Wrangler-inspired EV. Pricing and variance. Expected starting price, around $55,000, $60,000. Higher trims pushing up to $70,000 plus. Special edition Trailhawk and off-road variants. Jeep's EV tax credit eligibility in the USA. Global launch plans, USA, Europe first, then Asia. The future of Jeep and EV revolution. Jeep's goal of electrifying entire lineup by 2030. Recon as a symbol of the brand's transition. The future of off-roading with zero emissions. Jeep's plan to keep the spirit of adventure alive in EV era. Conclusion. background uplifting cinematic soundtrack. The Jeep Recon is not just an SUV, it's a promise that adventure can live on in the age of electric power. For decades, Jeep has been the companion of explorers, wanderers, and dreamers. And now, with Recon, it's taking that spirit into the future. Clean, powerful, unstoppable. So whether you're climbing mountains, crossing rivers, or simply cruising the city streets, the Jeep Recon reminds you of one truth: freedom has no limits. The world is waiting. Are you ready to conquer it with Jeep Recon? Closing visuals: Jeep Recon driving through forests, deserts, snowy mountains, ending with Jeep logo and tagline: Jeep Recon, Adventure, Electrified.